Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Now, in previous class we was already started chapter 10 and the chapter name is time. Okay, that remaining part today I'm going to discuss here. Our next topic, hours and minutes. Hours and minutes, these points we already discussed, and here today I am going to discuss about hours and minutes. So the hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour, whereas the minute hand goes all around the clock in 1 hour. Means, see here, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes total. Just count it. Here see, in a clock 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, so in half an hour there are 30 minutes. See here, if our minute hand is suppose that if our minute hand is in 12, okay, and our hand is in 2, that is called 2 o'clock. See here, okay. Likewise here 2 o'clock, but here if your minute hand is in 6 and our hand is in between two numbers, okay, so the what we call here 7:30. Okay, so half of 60 minutes here. So in half an hour there are 30 minutes or half of 60 minutes. This one 12 to 6, this one 30 minutes, and here 6 to 12, this one 30 minutes. Okay, so when the minute hand is pointing at the 6, it represents 30 minutes. Okay, here when the minute hand, this one minute hand is pointing at the 6, it represents 30 minutes. Okay, here if your minute hand is in 6, is in pointing on 6, pointing at 6, then we can represent 30. Okay, and your hour hand, if any in any number, just point at the number. Suppose that your hour hand in that time, in this time your hour hand is here, then what we say, 4:30. Okay, likewise after that, see here, reading time to half past the hour. So Meher's music class starts at 4 o'clock. At what time will the class be over if it goes of half an hour? Okay, so see here, to read the time in half an hour, Meher needs to know when the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand moves just halfway between two numbers. Just halfway, I already told you, just halfway between two numbers, the number and the next number, it is half past the hour and half an hour. Here see, what is it? See here, your minute hand is pointing at the 6. Okay, and your hour hand here, see, over the 5 and here below the 4. Okay, so we can say halfway between two number. Okay, so we can say here 4:30, and 4:30 is going on. Okay, so thus Meher's music class will be over at 4:30, shown in the clock on the right side. Okay, it is read in three way as, see here, it is read in three way as, means in three way we can read this one. First 4:30, 4:30, 3 30 minutes past 4. In this time right now, what is time is going on, we can say in three way. First way, 4:30, we can say 4:30. 4:30 is going on. Here's the second one, 4:30. Both are same. And 30 minutes past 4. This one also same. So these three we can in general way we can say. Okay. Now, did you know 11 time in every 12 hour of hands of the clock make a straight line by pointing its hand in opposite direction. Okay, so here what you see, 11 time in every 12 hour the hand of the clock make a straight line by pointing its hand in opposite direction. Okay, so now here practice also given. What time is it when the hour hand point midway between 2 or 3 and the minute hand point to 6? You can practice this one. What time is it when the hour hand points midway between 2 or 3? Midway between 2 or 3. Suppose that here, okay, 2 or 3, okay, and this one, okay, and the minute hand point to 6. This one, your hour hand is here and your minute hand is here. Then what you say, what time is going on? 2:30. 2:30. Okay, here we can say what we write here, 2:30. Okay, now example first, what time is it on the clock? See here, this is a clock, okay, and first see this one, okay, and think about it. What time is it on the clock? The minute hand is at 6. The minute hand is at 6. It means the half past the hour. Okay, here your minute hand is at 6. It means this one half past the hour, and the hour hand is midway between 12 or 1. Here see, 12 or 1. Okay, so the time is 12:30. The time is 12:30. Here see, here over the 1, here your hour hand, and here below the 12, here your hour hand. So we can say the time is 12:30. Okay, likewise you have to complete exercise 10a. See here, read the time and write the below write it below the clock. 1 is done for you. So see here, clocks are given. Okay, so first see that one, and after that think, and after that write it. Here see, in this clock, see here your hour hand is midway between 2 or 3. Your hour hand is midway between 2 or 3, and your minute hand is at 6. It means it is half past the hour. It is half past the hour, and here your hour hand is midway between 2 or 3. So we can say here 2:30. Okay, 2:30. Okay, now here your minute hand is at 6, so it means it is half past the hour. Okay, now your hour hand is midway between 8 and 9. So what we say here, 8:30. 8:30. Likewise you have to complete. Okay, in next video I will discuss these exercise based on these, and quarter the hours topic. Okay, thank you.